Good morning, my students. Today I am going to start your new topic, that is decimal. Decimal. What is decimal? If anyone will ask, what is decimal? So now see this one. Decimal fraction. Fraction in which denominator are 10, 100, 1000 means in the multiple of 10 are called decimal fraction. Just I am writing 1 by 10. Here 1 is numerator. But what is 1? Numerator. And what is this 10? Denominator. So 1 by 10 multiplied 0.1. How you are writing that? 10 you divide with 1. Point you will put 0 below. How many times it will go? 1 time. Okay. So what is your answer? 0.1 by 100. What will you write? 0.01. 1 by 1000. What will you write? 0.001. Means after point, how many number required? 3 0 is there, 4 0 is there. Then it is. Now see this one, my dear students. Now see this one. If 10 is there, then you can write easily. But if anyone has 10, change 2 by 5 into decimal. 2 by 5. What it is, my dear student? Equivalent fraction you have to take. So you multiply 2 with 2. Both numerator and denominator. Both. So what is bigger? 4 by 2. Now easily you can write it 0.4. Now anyone say no, I will do direct division. So no problem with that. See this one, 2 by 5. Here 2 by 5 is what? 2 is your numerator and 5 is denominator. So 5 here dividend and 2 is here, 5 is here divided and 2 is here divided. This one point 0. 5 multiplied by 4. What is them? 28. So now it means 0.4. See this one, both the answer is same. Means process is same. Not one back. See this one. I am going to change 1 by 2. So what is decimal fraction how? 1 by 2. How we will change? So 1 you write here. Here 2 you write. Point is 0 will come. 2 into 5 10. So what did you write? 0.5. It is clear. Now see this one. What I am going to discuss, like and unlike fraction. See this one. Like and unlike fraction. Like fraction. Like fraction. I am writing 123.25, 122.75 and 189.37. See this one, in this one 2 parts. This is called decimal point. After this is called decimal point. This one is also called decimal point. And this is called 123 whole number, 122 whole number, 189 whole number, 123, 122 and 189. Means when you are writing a number in decimal, there are 2 parts. Decimal part, after decimal part 2 number is there, after decimal part 2 number is there, after decimal part 2 number. These are called like fraction. Unlike, what you will write? Unlike, I am writing 79.23, 81.739 and 27.4321. See this one. After decimal point, here 2 number is there. After decimal point, here 3 number is there. 3 digits. After decimal point, here 4 digits is there. These all are called unlike. So unlike can be changed into like by putting 0. As you have studied, after point, if you are putting 0, number is neither going to increase nor going to decrease. It is clear. Now see this one. I am coming on exercise 3A. See this one. In exercise 3A, there are so many questions. But first I am going to solve first. First is there express the following as decimal. Please listen. First, what is there? 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 7 into 1. My dear student, what you write? 3 into 10, 30. 3 into 10, what you write? 30. 4 into 1 plus what you write? 4 and plus 7 divided by 10, 0.7. So now what is your answer? 30 plus 4, 30.7. This is your answer. First I have. Now question number, I am going to solve this one. Fifth is there 133 by 100. So very simple thing. After how many zero is equal 0? So you will write 1.33. 1.33. How? You can easily division to this way also. 133. One time it will go 100 will come. So now subtraction 33. Now point put, then 0 will come because it is less. How many times? 3 times. 3. Now 0, 3 subtraction 2. Again 1 0 will come automatic. So now 100. 3. It is clear. So 1.33. This is answer. Same answer thing. It's different. It is clear. Now one more I will to solve. One more. This one I have to solve. Same. Okay. 10th last question of this one. 7 3 by 4. See this one. 14 into 7. 280 plus 3. Change this one in mixed fraction is given. What is this one? Mixed fraction. Change into improper. 253 by 4. Now how we will change? 283 divided with 4. 7 times 280 will come. 3 this clear. Now point equal 0 k. Then also it is less. How many times? 0 equal. One more 0 is coming. 7 into 4 280. What is that? 0 8. The 2 will come. Now how many times? 5 times. What it will come? 200. Now see this one. What is your answer? Your answer is 7.07. It is clear. Now first I have done. The rest you will solve or not? Now see this one. Question number 2. Second is there. Write the following. Write the following decimals as fractions in their their lowest falls. Please see this one. First question is there 0.2. See this one. Here the digit is 2. After point, only one digit is there, so 1 0 will write. Now what? 2 divided by 2, 1 will come. 10 divided by 2, 5 will come. So 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. This is the answer. Now which one? 4. I'm going to show 25.25. What is it right? 25 is right. As a whole number. And 25 by 100 is right. See this one. 25 divided with 4. 25 divided by 25 is 1. And 25 1 by 4 is equal. It is clear? Any problem? 21 by 4 it become. It is clear. Or you can change 25 to 400 plus 100 1 by this is both is correct. It is in fraction, both the fraction. It is in mixed fraction and it is improper fraction. Both the answers. It is clear? The rest you can solve. Please solve. And if there is problem, you must ask or contact me. I am ready to help. Now, my dear student, I am going to solve question number 3. It is there 3. After that we will begin 3. To arrange the following numbers in descending order. In the ascending order. Please, what is telling? Arrange the following numbers in the ascending order. First question is there 3.57. Please, how can you read that also? See 3.57, 0.357. Okay, 3.057, 3.571 and 0.0357. See this one, my dear student. Ascending order, wow, you are right. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting number you are going to continue. So it is called ascending order. And if you are writing 100, after that 99, 98. So this is called descending order. So in this question, the question is telling writing ascending order. So which number you will write? First, the smallest number is this one. So the smallest number in this one is 0.035. Now this is bigger. After that, what you will write? 0.357. After that, what you will write? It is clear. 3.057. After that 3.57. And after that what you will write? 3.57. 3.571. It is clear. Understood, my dear student? Any problem is there? Please, any problem, contact me. If you have any problem, contact me. Once more, 01. It is clear. here. After that 357. 357 and the last digit is there. If hard problem, one right. Okay, please, thank you. If you have any problem, contact me. Thank you.